go to Adrian also. Adrian, after you have established this platform for the producers, how did you kind of reached out to that audience? Which channel has worked for you?
Yeah, so I guess I'm in the enviable position of having a digital download product, which means
Yeah.
that our costs are pretty low. We don't have any supply chain issues. We don't have overheads, which
Yeah.
means we can be pretty aggressive with scaling our paid advertising.
Yeah.
And to me, like most of the other guys have already said, Facebook is still kind of the gold standard. That's
Mm.
where we're getting the best return on our ad spend. And originally, we ran a lot of interest-based campaigns, which slowly
Mm.
morphed into engagement-based campaigns, where we started, re-engaging our existing audience, website visitors, people who interacted with us on Instagram, on Facebook.
Cool.
And more recently, we've been kind of pivoting towards a more value-based proposition where we're actually spending ad money on creating value and putting out free information, even putting ad spend behind free products, and just kind
Oh,
of building that long-term goodwill.
yeah.
And to me, that's the long-term play, which eventually is going to give way to more organic advertising.
That's
So we actually do a lot of community engagement through free contests. We put out free tutorials,
mhm.
pretty much weekly free products because we can afford it. It's fairly cheap to create them, and that's what we've been sort of doing more and more recently.
Wow, that's a very thoughtful strategy in customer acquisition. Excellent. Great thought.